Hey, it's me. Keep it crafty. I made this Lightning McQueen Easter basket and I wanted to show you how I did it. I started with freehanding the car. Here are the measurements. Then I traced that onto 2 pieces of foam board. And then of course I used my X-Acto knife to cut it out. This is the bowl I'll be using for this DIY. I measured the top of this bowl and that determined the width of my base. Here are the measurements. I'll be starting with this measurement and then working my way around the car. The first measurement on the car was 4 inches. So I marked 4 inches on my base and then I cut it, but not all the way through. I repeated these same steps until I got all the measurements for the front of the car. Once all the measurements are done, I'm going to start gluing it onto the car. Now I'm ready to glue that second car on top. Once you get that second car glued on, you're going to repeat those same steps one more time for this piece in the back. And then to fill in that last space in the back, I'm going to put the spoiler on. And then for the front, I'm adding a white piece of foam board for the eyes. Here's a full view of what the car should look like. And now we can move on to adding our red poster. I got my red poster from Hobby Lobby, but the Dollar Tree also has some as well. I used a total of 3 red posters to cover the entire car. If you don't mind the white showing on the side of the car, then you can trace it before assembling the car. Now I can cut this out and glue it onto the car. I completely forgot to add my cello wrap. You just glue it onto the back of the red poster board or onto the car directly and then cover it with the red poster board. I completely forgot that my printer didn't have ink, so I ended up painting everything and they turned out pretty good. But I definitely recommend printing the pieces that you need. It's really starting to come together. So once the face is done, then I'm gonna start working on the lightning bolt. I just used the yellow vinyl from the Dollar Tree. For the wheels of the car, I just used some sombreros that I found at Hobby Lobby. They came in a pack of 6, I think, and I just painted them black, cut the top of the sombrero, and added some letters. For the rim, I just drew it out with permanent marker and then painted it black. Trying to get the perfect gradient on these numbers was so tedious, and I still couldn't achieve the look I was going for, but I think it turned out okay. It was at this point that I realized that I forgot the cello wrap, so I'm adding that in. Now I'm just sliding that black bowl into the car and adding my paper shred to the bottom so I can start putting my gifts on top. I decided to fill it with some cars, some little toys, candy, of course. I'm also adding in this card case and some eggs. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you can always keep it crafty with me. Thanks for watching.